Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Start your videos, everyone.
Sir, how are you?
Fine. How are you?
Sir, I'm also fine.
Very good.
Sir, what we will do today? Exercise?
We will start the exercise now. We have discussed all the concepts which are used in the exercise. Now let us start the exercise. Let's see 4 prime, 10 prime. We have to start exercise 5.7. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
5.7. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, can I go to bring my notebook?
This is the last exercise of the chapter. Exercise 5.7.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Yes, you can go to bring your notebook. So you all have got your syllabus. Syllabus has been posted in the groups. Have you seen it, everyone? अच्छा बेटा, very nice. किसने करा है ये?
Sir, Alankrita.
Right, is not a
Alankrita, try to erase it.
So the erasing option has gone.
It has gone. So how we are going to study today? We are going to study like this only. This.
Yes, sir.
ऐसे ही पढ़ेंगे आज.
Sir, don't do this. Don't write my name.
I was trying to see how it looks.
Sir. Sir, it's looking 3D.
Bhavir Rastogi, stop asking for this.
Sir, I am saying that I will erase it.
I have erased बेटा. ठीक है?
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, we will do this page number 71 also.
Page number 71. देखेंगे बेटा. We will finish the syllabus. In revision we will do this. When we will do revision, then we will do it. Exercise 5.7. Everyone, be ready for this. Question A. Write all the common factors of the following 2 and 6. Common factors of 2 and 6. First part. 2 and 6. So factors of 2. कैसे लिखना है कॉपीज में? ऐसे लिखना है. Factors of 2, 1 and 2. बेटा ऐसे ही लिखना है जैसे in the way I am writing, you have to write it in the same way in your copies. Okay. Factors of 6. 1, 2, 3,
2, 3.
and 6.
Sir, 1,
Now,
2, 3, 6.
with your pencil you will circle the common factors. Pencil से circle कर लीजिए common factors को. 1 is common, 2 is also common. So now you write down the common factors. Common factors 1, 2. Answer. Any doubt? Very good. ठीक है.
Sorry, sir. Please see it.
Correct. ठीक है Bhavir, it's okay. Question 2. Ready, all of you? Have you all noted question 1 in your copy?
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir. 8 and 12.
Sir, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and factors of 12,
Factors
3,
of
6,
8.
12.
1, 2, 4, 8.
1,
Factors
2, 3, 6.
of 12.
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 6, 12.
1, 2, 3,
3, 6, 12.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Common factors.
Sir, what is the page number?
1, 2, 4.
Sir, I am not telling the 4.
So common factor. This is page number 70. Beta exercise. We are doing the exercise. So common factors. बेटा ओके मुझे आई फॉरगॉट मुझे राइटिंग भी अच्छी लिखनी है बच्चों ने बोला था सर प्लीज राइट इन गुड हैंडराइटिंग योर हैंडराइटिंग इज वेरी बैड आई एम सॉरी
Your handwriting is good.
कॉमन फैक्टर्स ओके आई होप दिस इज अंडरस्टैंडेबल कॉमन
Your
फैक्टर्स
writing is good. Sir, we can see it clearly. They are
okay
making
I
fun
forgot
of
that
you.
you are small kids of class 4 actually bigger kids they understand this handwriting this chil pakoda handwriting
Sir, what are we doing?
Chinese handwriting they understand but small kids
I can clearly see it.
okay no problem
Sir,
good
what are we doing?
we are doing exercise 5.7 okay do both the parts
in book or
everyone in the notebook do these questions in the notebook after that those who have done first and second they will now try question 3 third part of this question yourself try the third part everyone try to find the answer yourself Have you all done third part?
Yes, sir. Sir, but it
Sir.
is completely one factor, which is 1.
Only one common factor. What are the numbers?
Sir, 1, 2, 7, 14. Sir,
Just
they are
let me
factors
see.
of 14.
Just a minute. The two numbers are 14 and 36. So what is the common factor? What
Sir,
which
of 14.
14
1,
and
2, 7, 14.
common factors, beta. Common factors कौन से आए?
Sir, I found only 1.
Only one common factor.
Yes, sir.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. There are two common factors of both the numbers.
Sir, if it is one common factor, it is called the co-prime, and which is only one, it is called
Yes,
co-prime.
yes,
Sir,
right. So factors of
single-
14, 1, 2, 7, 14. These are the factors of 14. Factors of 36, 1, 2, 3,
Sir, 1
4,
and 2.
6. Yes, 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9,
9.
12, 18,
Sir, 18.
36.
Sir,
Sir, 18, 36. 38.
opposite number.
Sir,
1, 2, 3, 4. There are 9 factors of 36. Now the common factors are 1 and 2. I have already written the answer.
just only one.
1 and 2 are the common factors. Question 3. ठीक है?
Sir, I have written only 3, sir, 4 factors of both.
नहीं बेटा, you should write all the factors. We have to write all the factors of both the numbers. ठीक है?
Sir, space is not there.
But you should write all the factors. Are you writing the answer in the book,
No, sir.
in the copy?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write all the factors. Okay.
No, but there is not.
बेटा ये कौन बोल रहा है? This is Alankrita. Your voice is not clear बेटा. गिटार बज रहा है. I think there is some network issue. कौन बोल रहा था?
Alankrita.
Alankrita, can you turn off your video and speak again?
So,
हाँ बेटा. Turn off your video and then speak. The voice is not coming. Okay, fourth part, the numbers are 15, 12 and 27. 3 numbers.
sir, I have
15,
said yes
12
that if there
and
are
27.
numbers, how it will be.
Yes, I told you that I will tell you, and now I am going to tell you. Okay, so first of all, factors of 15. All the factors: 1, 3, 5, 15. Any other factors? No. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Then factors of 27. 1, 3, 9 and 27 itself. Only 4 factors. Common factors. Let's find out the common factors.
3.
1 is a common factor. Coming in all 3. ऐसे numbers को ढूंढना है जो तीनों में आएंगे.
Sir,
1 is
three, sir,
common.
three.
Sir, 3 and 1.
3 is common. Any other common factor?
No, sir.
No. So 1 and 3 are common factors. Your answer will be common factors are 1 and 3. Clear? How to do for 3 numbers? Same way method hai, but the only difference is that there are 3 numbers. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Any problem?
No, sir.
Very nice. Can you do it for the 5th part? Can you start doing the 5th part? Can you try it yourself? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Yes,
for
sir.
thank you for making you do it yourself.
Sir, only 2 questions can come on one page.
Okay.
What are co-primes?
अभी तो तुमने बताया था what are coprimes. Your definition was correct.
Sir, after we will do this exercise, can we send it on group?
भव्य रस्तोगी अभी तो आपने बताया था what are अभी you told what are coprimes and now you are asking.
I want to ask. I want to know your method.
Same what you are
I-
saying that is the correct one. वही मेथड है मेरा भी मेथड वही है ठीक है if there is only one common factor which is 1 then the numbers are coprime हाँ sorry your voice is not clear बेटा कौन बोल रहा था please keep your video off and then speak अलंकृता बेटा आपका नेटवर्क सही नहीं है आज can you turn off your video and then speak
So whenever we have to find the common,
whenever we have to find the common whenever we have to find the मैं बता देता हूँ आगे इसके
sir, who was asking is not in the meeting, I think.
oh serious network issue
Sir, I am asking
हाँ
that when we have,
that when we
sir,
have
I am asking whenever we have to
हाँ
find
हाँ
the common factor,
हाँ
we have to start the factors with number 1.
yes whenever we have to find common factors we start writing all the factors starting from 1 ठीक है we write all the factors starting from 1 and then we write
Sir.
common factors yes
Sir, in question number A,
Hmm.
all the questions, 1 is common factors.
Yes 1 is always the common factor of all the numbers 1 तो सबका common factor होता ही है it is must so I think you all have done question 5 let's discuss the answer of this 18 second number is 12
Sir,
and
and 36.
36 so factors of 18
Sir, 1, 2,
1
3.
2 3 6
Sir, 9.
9 18 factors of 12 1 2 3 4 6 12 ठीक है एनी डाउट फैक्टर्स
No.
बेटा मेरी गंदी राइटिंग को प्लीज इग्नोर कर देना फैक्टर्स ऑफ 36 1 2 3 4 1, 2, 3, 4,
Sir,
6,
in
9.
this question, 1, 2, and 6 is, sir, 6 is common factor.
1, 2, 3, 6 are common factors. Common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. Let me highlight the common factors for you all. See, these are the common factors. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, तीनों में आ गया 3, 6, 6, 6. 4 को कॉमन फैक्टर बोल सकते हैं? कैन वी से 4 इज अ कॉमन फैक्टर?
Oh, sir.
No, sir. 9 is also not common, 4 is also not common, 18 is also not common, 12 is also not common. Only 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 6 are common. Try the sixth part, everyone. Try the sixth part. गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा, हो गया सबका? हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग। सबका हो गया?
Yes.
सो गए थे बच्चे?
Yes,
मैं देख
sir.
रहा हूँ।
Yes, sir.
6 part done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of 6th part?
Sir, that circle is left.
Oh. Oh. Sixth part. I am a very confused type of guy. Time saving.
Why, sir? What happened?
I have saved so much of energy and time. See, everything is ready. Tell me the numbers in the 6th part. What are the numbers?
Sir, please write the numbers.
Yes. What are the numbers? 16, 18,
Sir,
and
16,
48.
18 and 48.
16, 18, and 48. Factors of 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18.
Why 9?
Okay. 9 is not a factor of 18. 9 के टेबल में नहीं आता 18। बेटा बताओ बताओ, नहीं आता है?
No, sir. It comes.
Sir, what you are doing?
Nothing, beta. I am making some space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12,
12.
12 के बाद 18 के टेबल में आएगा? 48 नहीं आएगा।
Sir,
16,
48.
16, not 18, not 20. Now 24 and 48. So many factors. Let's write the common ones. Let me use some other color. Pink color. 1.
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, and 2.
1 is common factor.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. Who's this?
Sir, when will our class start? You have sent the link in class 6C.
Your class will start beta at 12:20.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Come after 5 minutes. So 2 is common. 3 not common. 4 not common. 8 not common. 8 not common. 3 is also not common. 4 is also not common. Only 2 common factors. 1 and 2. Answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Do you know
Sir, you
I
have
want?
made colorful.
I have made the board very colorful. See. Let me make it more colorful.
Sir, it is not looking colorful. It is looking messy.
Yes,
Messi.
sir.
Messi is a footballer. His name is
Sir, it
Messi.
is looking very dirty.
No, sir, not that Messi. I am talking about Messi.
He was this person used to make a mess when he was a small child. He used to make a mess out of everything. So his parents named him Messi. Because he always used to make mess of everything.
And now the board is looking messy.
Is
Yes,
it okay
sir.
now?
Sir, no, sir, it is looking colorful. Sir, no, sir, no, sir, no.
Sir, what you are doing?
We are coloring.
Sir, can we also?
Why not? Okay,
Sir,
beta, I
you
was looking.
Sir, so give
Everyone.
us and
So you all have understood question 6 or not, everyone?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir, sir, can we do coloring on board?
Can we also color?
No, beta.
Thank you,
No,
sir.
beta.
Sir, please,
No,
sir, please.
beta. No, beta.
No, sir.
Okay, so we have completed this question and the class is also almost over.
Yes,
So
sir.
we have another period today, the last one. Okay, we will continue the
Yes, sir.
exercise.
Yes.
We will continue the exercise. Okay, everyone, bye bye.
Sir, in next period we will do